If you are open to learning ChatGPT, I am open to teaching you. People are using ChatGPT while they cook in the kitchen. People are using ChatGPT when they face health challenges while they wait for their doctor. People are just using it to maneuver everyday life. It's like having a personal assistant right there in your pocket whenever you need it. My grandparents wanted to learn ChatGPT, so I sat down and took time out to show them how it worked. And when I did that, I realized that people are not teaching this in ways that it needs to be taught to people who are brand new to this. The most challenging part was not teaching them the technology. It was actually teaching them that they could actually talk to ChatGPT like they would talk to their doctor, their therapist, their best friend, their daughters, their family members. Once they realized that they could talk to ChatGPT just like any other conversation that they were having, everything started to click for them. So I decided to build Just Ask It, which is a 2-day beginner course specifically made for people who want to learn ChatGPT, but they have absolutely no idea where to start. My commitment as your teacher is to break it down to the bare basics. There will be no judgment, there will be no confusion. You can ask as many questions as you need. I am here to help. And here's what you get when you invest in the course. The course includes 2 live interactive learning days with me on Zoom, a digital guide that you can keep forever so that you always have something to reference, and access to our private Facebook community where you can continue to ask questions even when the course is over, just for $75. Please keep in mind that spots are limited to 20 people per session. So if this is something that you're interested in or something that you think a loved one or a friend will be interested in, please click the link below to submit your request form to secure your place in our next session. Once the form has been filled out, I will personally reach out to you within the next 24 hours. And remember, you have not been left behind. You just have not had the right teacher yet. I'll see you soon.